皆さん、こんにちは。お元気ですか? So, last time we did the conjugation, first conjugation, て form, てけ. Alright? So, there are three groups, group 1, group 2, and group 3. And depending on the groups, it changes the rule of the conjugations. For example, ますけ, this is the verb. I mean, 行きます to go, right? To go, ます in polite way, to go in polite way. But before ます there is き. So before ます き is how you conjugate. You eliminate this き and change into いて, right? This is it. But there is exception, irregular verb. Which is this 行きます. When it comes to て form, this 行きます is irregular form, irregular verb. But that doesn't mean group 3 is the irregular verb. That doesn't follow any conjugation rules. But that doesn't mean this 行きます is categorized as group 3. It's still group 1, but irregular verb. Okay? So this is as far as we learned the last time. So today we're gonna do we're gonna use this te form for the sentence pattern, so you can express many ways. For example, ください. ください, please. It's literally saying please. So 行きます. 行きます. Go, to go. Please go. So this is an irregular verb. So how you conjugate? You use, right, 行って. 行ってください means it's literally saying please go. It's still ordering someone, please go. But it's a polite way. It's a little polite way, but you don't want to use a lot because it's still ordering someone. Okay, so 行ってください. Or if you invite guests to your home, then you serve food in there. So you would likely to say this. So conjugate this. This is mass form, right? So into te form, how you do it. 食べます. There are no べ before ます. So which means this is not group 1. So which means group 2, because group 3 there are only 2 verbs, right? 来ます to come, and します to do. So there are only 2 verbs in the group 3. 来ます します These are the irregular verbs, so that doesn't follow any ordinary conjugation rules. Okay, so you have to remember. So which means group 2. This is group 2. So how you conjugate? Group 2 and group 3, when it comes to the te form, all you have to do is eliminate matsu and attach te. So 食べてください. Please eat. So I would like to say this. there are no, which means, 見てください. Please see, or please look, or please watch. 見てください. 見てください. So, you want to say this too. 待ちます to wait. Please wait. ち right? ち it's group 1. So, before ます you see E or Chi or Ri, right? So you have to eliminate this letter, then attach small 2 and て 待ってください 待ってください please wait, something like that. So you can use all of the verbs and conjugate it into て form and attach this ください. Then it's going to be please do something. Okay? So, group 3 is also the same. 来ます please come. Please come. So when it comes to て form, group 3 is easy. Eliminate ます and attach て. 来てください please come. します please do. It's also same. Please do してください. But please do what? So, for example, 勉強してください. You add noun before し, then 勉強してください. Please study. Okay? But that doesn't mean you can use all of the noun and place it here and attach してください. That doesn't mean, for example, like, if you put pencil here, pencil, do, please, that doesn't mean anything, right? So, 勉強してください. It's a noun, but it could be a verb. 勉強 to study or study in noun or something like that. Okay? You can do it. Okay, so the next sentence. います phrase. 勉強します 勉強します is to study, right? Or to learn. So, this is also the same. ます conjugated into て form. So, します it's group 1. So, eliminate ます and て attach て and you replace ください to います then this is what you're doing right now. 勉強しています 勉強しています I am studying. Present continuous. Okay? So, 勉強しています what? 日本語を勉強しています Okay, 日本語を勉強しています This is what you're doing right now. 日本語を勉強しています Present continuous. Right? So, you can do this. 食べます It's group 2. So, eliminate ます and attach て食べています I am eating. What are you eating? お this. So, for example, if you are eating bread, then パンを食べています。パンを食べています。 It's the same, right? Because 勉強しています。勉強しています。What are you studying? What are you studying? 日本語を。Right? Same thing. So if you want to express what you are doing, then place O and this is what. So you can ask like this. 何を食べていますか？何を食べていますか？ What are you eating? But you want to add something at the end. What are you eating right now? 今何を食べていますか？今何を食べていますか？ What are you eating right now? This is literally saying, what are you eating right now? 今。Okay? Well, I'm gonna ask you, 今何をしていますか？あなたは今何をしていますか？して。The original form is します right? します is to do. So 今何をしていますか？ What are you doing right now? 今何をしていますか？ So you are doing 勉強 alright? 今日本語を勉強しています。今日本語を勉強しています。作ります to make or to create. I want to ask this. Conjugate this. It's り So eliminate り and attach て right? So 今何を作っていますか？今何を作っていますか？ What are you making or what are you creating right now? So you can say, for example, if you're cooking right now, then what are you cooking right now? What are you making right now? We say this. What are you making right now? 今何を作っていますか？ What are you cooking right now? We don't say 今何を料理 is cooking 料理していますか？な。今何を作っていますか？ You can also say this as cooking when it comes to this phrase. What are you cooking right now? 作っていますか？ Okay, so here's the summary. います and ください. You can use て form to express います present continuous and also please do something, ordering someone in polite way. Okay, but you have to conjugate this mass form into te form to create this phrase いますください. But all you have to do is simply attach after you conjugate this te form. So you can express please do something or I am doing right now, present continuous. Okay, but it's hard to remember. I mean, it's difficult to differentiate what group is in. For example, this verb, which group is in? You can't tell by looking those because it's tsukurimasu, right? Tsukurimasu. So before masu, it's di. So it is correct because this is group 1, but there are exceptions. Okimasu, to wake up. Okimasu. Before masu, ki. So if you apply this rule, then it's going to be group 1, right? But this is group 2. So if you say, please wake up, ki ite. So eliminate this ki and attach ite. Oite kudasai. This is not correct. Okay? So if you say oite kudasai, it means please get old. It's rude, right? So this is group 2, so the correct way to conjugate this is okite kudasai. Please wake up. Okite kudasai. This is correct. So you can't tell which verb is in which group is which verb is which group. So I made this conjugation list. So te form, right? Te form, and there are group 2. These are group 2 verbs that you learn in the basic level and basic level. And group 3 only these 2 groups and 2 verbs. And group 1 there are a lot. Okay, so these are not all of the verbs that you encounter in a real life, in real daily life, but these are the basics. Okay, and this color differentiation, for example, hatarakimasu is ki, right? The blue one is before masu, it's all ki, right? So how you conjugate the blue one, ki. So hatarakimasu is hataraite, right? So I made this PDF file just for you, so you can download it, or you have to purchase, but you can download it from my official online store. So you can jump into the online store from this video, click somewhere, or from the description box, or from my channel page. So it's worth it because since it contains 24 pages, so you can practice a lot, like quick practice and also conjugation practice, and conjugation practice in a sentence pattern plus the answers. So you can practice te form plus those how you use the te form to express something. There are lots of ways to expressions, so it's worth it. All right, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. ありがとう。